I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. Reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire.
Okay, so now we are on to the makeup portion. I hope you guys like that lookbook. It was super fun, right? My photographer slash now videographer helped me with that, Dale. I link him down below. He's amazing. We are going to be partnering up so much in videos, so the quality of my videos, I hope, are getting better, and you guys are really liking that, and we're doing like outfit pictures and stuff like that on my Instagram, so you should totally follow me so you can see that. And yeah, I want to show you guys the makeup portion. Now, this is more so like everyday makeup if you're gonna go somewhere, if you have errands to run, if you have like things to do with your kids, you have to be like out in the world, but you want to look presentable, but you don't want to have so much makeup on. This is what I do, and yeah, you can pick and choose what you want, like the different techniques that I do, and it doesn't have to be exactly like this. You can go less or go heavy because we all have different skin types and stuff like that. So if I'm using less product or more product, it doesn't matter. You know, makeup is just fun. Just, you know, take what you want out of this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all the products that I use down below if I don't mention them in the video. But yeah, let's get right into it. So for my brows, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Warm Brunette Brow Stylist Frame and Set. It's a pomade. I've just been using pomades recently. My tried and true is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Pencil, but I just really have been liking the pomade. I feel like I can just make those hair-like strokes much easier. And for this everyday brow, I do like filling my brows in and making them look more structured like they exist, but by all means, again, you don't have to do that. And to clean up the brows, which I always do, it just makes them just look more structured and clean, if you will. I'm using the BECCA Ultimate Coverage Concealer in Macadamia, and I'm just using an angled brush like this that I got from BH Cosmetics to clean it up. And of course, you're gonna wanna lock those bad boys with a brow gel, and today I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Brunette. This thing has lasted me a very long time. All right, and now we are moving on to skin. I, of course, prime my skin, and lately I have just been loving this Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I've had this for a very long time, but I've just forgotten how much I love it. So I'm going to put that all over my face just to prep that foundation. It just makes the foundation sit on my face so much better when I use this stuff. For that everyday wear foundation, I really love this DIOR Skin foundation, and the shade is in Honey Beige. I just feel like it's so lightweight, and it has like a great natural looking finish. And yes, this is just what I love using. A good drugstore alternative, I really love the True Match foundation. And then of course I use a dampened beauty blender, but actually, you know what, I'm gonna use a brush. This works beautifully with the brush. I'm gonna use the It brushes from Ulta, and it is the Radiant Foundation brush, and I'm just going to buff this into the skin. This foundation is just so lightweight and airy that it just works so well with a foundation brush. You see that? Isn't that just a gorgeous foundation? And you don't need a lot of this. Oh, see, I just love this foundation. I almost like this application better with this brush just because it's very fluffy and it moves the product around really nice. And then I'll go in with a concealer with the Beauty Blender. Concealer, I really love the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealers. These are a lightweight, but I feel like it gives you a really nice full coverage look. So that's what I'm gonna do. I like mixing medium neutral and light neutral to get my perfect shade. And usually you guys know I go ham on the concealer, and this may be ham for you, but I like to go lighter during the day, just so it's not so crazy. And I know that, well, that's light for me. I usually go crazy with the concealer. And then I take the light neutral and put a little bit in the center to brighten it up. I take my dampened Beauty Blender and blend it in. I'll take a little bit of that excess and put it underneath my nose. And then I'll also dab it on my chin and on my forehead. And of course we are gonna wanna set those under eyes, and I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I always use this, and I'm not gonna get a crazy amount to set underneath my eyes, but I do like using some just to make sure that my wrinkles don't crease, you know, that there's no product just hanging out underneath there. Just a light powder. And to set the rest of the face, I'm gonna take my Dior Forever Skin Compact, and the shade I have is 040. And I'm just going to set the areas that I didn't put any powder. That way we just lock in that foundation and it lasts us all day. And to bronze my skin, I'm gonna use this Stila Stay All Day Contouring Bronzer for face and body in light. And I'm just going to put that, you know, in the normal parts that we contour. I didn't contour my face because I usually don't if I'm going for an everyday look. And for my eyes, I do it really, really simple. I just take a cream color that looks like this. This one is called Hash Brown by Etise. I'm pretty sure it's in the Ready Set Glamour, her collection. And then I just put that in the crease right here. And then I'm gonna take this shade, which is called Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek, and then put that in the crease. I feel like I do these colors so much. It's my go-to for every day. Take that fluffy brush again and just blend it all out. I will highlight the brow bone with a white, and this is called White Lies by Makeup Geek. And just highlight the brow bone. Pluck that hair, and then I'll do the inner corner as well. When I'm going out on the daily, usually I won't wear a lash. I mean, not all the time. Sometimes I feel like wearing lashes, but usually I just wear a waterproof mascara, and right now I'm using the Rocket. And then I will use this NYX Double Stacked. It's like the fiber lash type of deal, but this works so well. So if you follow me on Snapchat, if my lashes look super long and they're my natural lashes, it's because I'm wearing that. And it just works really well, and it's an affordable option for the fiber mascaras. So I'm going to curl my lashes again. The trick is to use a waterproof mascara if you have lashes that point downwards, and put one coat of that onto your lashes first, and then go in with the fiber mascara. I'll show you a difference here. And then you'd use the base coat and then the top coat. Same thing as most of the fiber mascaras. I want to concentrate this on the ends because that's where you want the length, you know? You don't want it really at the root. And then take the step 2 and just apply it to that base coat just on the ends. See the difference? If you're not into a clumpy lash, then you're gonna hate this. But if you are someone who doesn't have long lashes naturally, then you'll take this. But they definitely look spidery and long. You totally don't have to do this step if you don't like this look, but again, for someone who doesn't have lashes, this is wonderful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other and I'll be right back. I just wanted to show you the difference that this is just with mascara and no fiber lash. See, it definitely makes a difference. I got the mascara on. Now we're gonna do the same thing on our lower lash line and take those same colors and just put them on the lower lash line so it's not bald down there. I like to take a nude liner. Where is it? Oops. Lorac liner, front of the line Pro in the shade Nude, and just put it right on my lash line. For my cheeks, I really like using peachy bronze shade, so I'm gonna take this new Milani Sunlight Spotlight Face and Eye Strobe palette, and I'm gonna use that on my cheeks. Oh yeah, just what I'm wanting. A bronzy peachy shade. And to just clean up that line a little bit, I'm gonna take this shade in the Kat Von D Shade Light palette. With this Kat Von D, it doesn't say what brush, no, the number 10 brush. I really like using this to clean up that line, which I've been doing so much lately. It like contours for you without actually using a dark shade. And I'll just carve it out using a powder. Then we are going to highlight the cheeks, and I've been loving Ofra highlights lately, and I'm gonna use the Beverly Hills highlight. It's got like a pinwheel of different shades. I really love it. And I'll just swirl all the colors together, tap, tap the excess, and then look, watch. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, wow. We're gonna have to mute that down. I really like highlighted skin whenever I wear a no makeup look. So just dust all of that away. See how it just cleans up that line a lot? Super easy to do too. I just do it with a powder. Mesh it all together. And there we are, nice and bronzed. And then I'll take the same thing and just make the sides like this. And for the lips, I really don't like wearing a liquid lipstick for every day just because, I don't know, I just would rather wear like a creamy type of lipstick stain type of thing. And I've been loving these Hourglass, what are these called? Hourglass Girl Lippies. Sorry, I have no idea what these are called. It just says the Girl Collection. But I like mixing the two, and I take this color in Believer and I put that on first. And these are a very sheer, like super comfortable lipstick. They're hydrating. They're perfect for every day. And then I take a darker shade and outline the outsides. So if you're one that likes, or this is a pinkier shade, sorry, and put it right on top of it. Make sure you don't forget to set it, of course. I'm using this Milani Make It Last setting spray. I love this setting spray. I've been using the heck out of it since I've gotten it in the mail. It smells so good. And usually for my lips, on a like on-the-go day, I wear cream type of products like that, or a lip gloss, one that I could just throw on. And then I'll just throw it in my bag, and yeah, that's the complete look, you guys. This is the type of look that I totally wear almost every single day if I have like an errand or something to run. If I'm going to the gym or something like that, I'm not even gonna wear makeup like this, I'm not even going to attempt to try and put on a lot of makeup. But 9 times out of 10, I will rock my natural lash and yeah, this type of makeup look. But that completes this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.